Did you know that koalas have fingerprints almost identical to humans? Up close, their prints, complete with loops and whorls, are so similar that even experts can sometimes mistake them for human fingerprints. These tiny prints aren't just for show. They help koalas grip tree branches and leaves as they climb and feed, giving them better control over their movements in the treetops. Despite their fuzzy, cuddly appearance, these fingerprints are a reminder of how evolution equips animals with clever tools for survival. If you think fingerprints are uniquely human, remember, koalas share this tiny, intricate feature too.